Welcome to Kim's Bioproduction Academy. Today, let's understand about this bone. This bone is called the Ulna radius, and this one is the location, the lower 4M. So we are speaking about this point. So we are speaking about what? The lower forearm, from this point to this point. And you can check at this far end, we have an extension. And which extension is this one? It's this extension. And this extension is what we call olecranon process. We are saying it's called what? Olecranon process. This extension end is known as olecranon process. It has two functions. Which are these functions? Number one, prevents overstretching of the arm when you do this. So this end, we are saying it's preventing overstretching. So when I stretch my arm, it prevents it from overstretching. Another role, you can see it's an extension of a bone, and being an extension of a bone, it provides surface area for muscle attachment. That is the role. So let's differentiate these bones, because we are saying there are two fused bones in humans, and we have the ulna and the radius. And when you check, you have that groove here. We call it a trochlear notch. It's called a trochlear notch, or you can call it a sigmoid notch. And from the sigmoid notch, this shoulder bone, this shoulder bone with the olecranon process is what we are calling the ulna. Then this other long length bone is what we are calling the radius. Then from this other end, we said the other end is olecranon process. This other end is the distal epiphysis, the distal epiphysis. So from this point now, we are saying it's called a trochlear notch. It provides some articulation with that of the humerus, and you can check the articulation point. So we are saying this one is an articulation point, and this articulation point, this groove is what we call the trochlear groove. So it's a trochlear groove articulating with the trochlear notch, and it forms a joint that is called hinge joint. And the properties of a hinge joint, it provides some movement in just one plane, that is at an angle of 180 degrees. So we're speaking about this point, and that is the end. And this length is just provision of muscle attachment. That is ulna and radius for us. Then this distal epiphysis will allow articulation with the carpals. So we are saying the carpal. This one is the carpal, this far end. So that's our end of our bone. At this articulation point, it will be the distal epiphysis, and it will be articulating with the carpals. Thank you very much.